Hi guys, welcome back to Grimo TV. Today we're making coriander rice and it's a very easy and simple recipe. Now I love rice a lot, and you know, if you make rice the same way every single time, then it becomes boring even for you to enjoy. So I try and make it a little bit exciting each and every time I cook, and I thought today to show you one of the ways how I spice up my rice to make it interesting. So I have rice with me. I already have my beef broth. Today I'm using beef broth instead of just plain water. So I just put it like 2 seconds ago. I'll add my rice in it. I'll let them boil together, that way they cook evenly. How do you guys make your rice? I would love to know in the comment section. So I'll give this a stir and ensure that. Now there is not much difference in using beef broth and using just the normal water. It's just that I happen to have the beef broth at hand and I'm not planning to use it on anything else. So I thought to use it on my rice. It's going to add a little bit of the flavor anyway. So yeah, let's wait until the rice is fully cooked and then I'll show you the next step. I'm not going to add any of the ingredients yet. I'm not adding any salt or oil at the moment. I have my coriander, which I already chopped. I have a tiny bit of lime juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I will be adding salt and some oil as we progress. Stay tuned and watch. Now, as it starts to boil, I will add the salt. Just a tiny bit of salt. You don't want to add a lot of salt because remember we have the lime, so that all the flavors are really felt while you're eating. This is halfway cooked, so it won't take so much time. Yeah. Guys, I would love to know how you boil your rice. For me, I just put cold water and the rice together and I let them boil together. That way they cook evenly. I don't know what's the theory behind it, but it works every time I do that. I'm using basmati rice for today, and yeah, let's wait and see the end results. Guys, my rice is cooked. I'm going to just check the water is fully evaporated. Yes, it is. I will switch off my cooker, and now here is where I'm going to add my, be careful, don't use a mwiko then. From now on we're going to use a fork. It's safer that way. So I'll add some oil, generous amount. In goes my lime juice and the coriander. Don't want to waste any bit of it, so I'm going to give this a stir. It already smells so good, guys. So I'll serve this one and give it a test before we pour it. Oh, amazing, guys. This is amazing. Coriander and lime. Perfection. I don't know whether you can see. This is the rice. Yeah, that's how the rice looks like. I'm going to take a picture and post for you. Now guys, before we go, I will give this a quick taste test for you. If you can see, the coriander blends in so nicely. It still looks fresh and the smell is heavenly. Let's give it a try. I love the freshness of the coriander. At the same time, the taste of the lime in the rice makes it perfect. Go make this, guys. Enjoy making it. Serve it for your family. I'm sure they're going to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching Greymo TV. We're happy to have you on our channel. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share with a friend. Give this video a big like if you would want to see me talk more on my videos. See you on the next one. Bye bye. God bless you. Bye.